Theo! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦。I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but...
No！ 唔好要我講第二次啊！我開頭啊！
快啲啦！我哋已經遲晒啦！
挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我先啱多過你先係啦，我知我係啱嘅。
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語言講嘢啊！死埋你啦！
I'm looking for me. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Why don't you let me dress you? Aha!
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Meg, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Ice cream! Hey, you want a little refreshment? I got good ice cream.
冇人信咁睇啊！
Get out of the fucking way, Mara! Out of my way!
Coming through! Oh, shit!
講最平，呢度啲衫全部外地進口，急少上陣啊！
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed! Fuck, bitch! 哇！知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？知唔知點乜嘢？Kill him! Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 丟你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd! 死啊！咁撚多聲！ Dog Eyes gonna kill you.
Fuck Dog Eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Ah, fuck!
係喐，留低。
Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never.
Wait. I know you.
Yes, Sifu Kwa. I used to be your student. I'm Wei Shen.
Yes. The one who went to America. So you brought this girl back with you. Your skill level with girls, very good. Now time to assess your skill level in Kung Fu.
I see time in America has rusted your skills. All men must lose sometimes, but not American tourists. Apparently, it's rusted your concentration too. Your shame is glorious to behold. Your incompetence towers above your planet. My shame at your performance grows by the minute. How can Wei learn when you provide such weak opposition?
I try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones. But they all want to be Sun On Yi. Now I just train them in the ways of my art. Try to teach them compassion and discretion, and pray for the best.
Sifu, I don't think there's much more you can do. Oh, Jade Rat. The Song Dynasty, right?
Very good.
The Song Dynasty? That's like 1,000 years old or something. That's real?
Part of a set of 12. One for each animal of the Chinese calendar.
Sifu, you used to have the whole set. What happened to the others?
Stolen by a former student, corrupted by the Triads.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Sifu.
So was I. This collection meant a lot to me. But sometimes you just have to let things go. I should close up. It was good to see you again, Wei. And your lovely fiancé.
What?
Okay, that was fun. What do you want to do now?
I need to get home, but I will definitely call you later.
仲有一個樣揾食啊！我知。知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？
Rub shoulders with some of the biggest names in town and check out the coolest dance mixes from our resident DJs and special guests. Come on down to Club Bam Bam now. Club Bam Bam. It's better than ever.